Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off auto update on Samsung A35 5G device. Automatic update can consume a significant amount of data, especially for larger app updates or system updates. And some users may have limited data plans or prefer to control their data usage, so they choose to disable auto updates to avoid unexpected data usage. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, you must activate the developer options. Open Settings menu, and then scroll down and select About Font option. After that, tap the software information here, and then tap on the boot number up 7 times. After finishing, you can go back and here you can scroll down and select developer options. After that, you can scroll down and find the auto update system option. Okay, so now you can switch off like this to remove the auto updates on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off auto updates on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.